So 1 hour, 60 updates. Let's go. Welcome everyone. It is what it is. So probably tomorrow. Because like I said it before, I had an amazing meeting last week that only encouraged me even more to do language and microkernel. Because turns out people are sick and tired of over complexity and over complex language. So like you. So basically 5 minutes lost already. So 55 minutes. How many updates could we possibly do? Just so basically, yeah. I mean, maybe I could do language now, but now I said this, so let's do Altair. Whatever that stuff is, we basically, so we ultra efficient mode. Also, GitHub Altair things visualized in Python. Is that still a thing? 550. What do they say? They say A2. That's is this something freaking entirely different or what? So that's our main problem, right? Of what Altair. Okay, basically we will not. Oops, I haven't moved my bloody trackball a millimeter. We will not achieve 50 updates if we check everything so long. So basically, all right, basically more efficient. Like basically, let's. I thought this didn't clobber the copy and paste before it didn't. All right, the name is somehow different. T2 fine. PMP, HBP Medipair. Oh, okay. So name slightly misleading. PMP is also. Oh, that's no longer there. That's of course not ideal. Or do they just change PMP media? I mean, we kinda sorta should save this so other people wouldn't need to redo all the stuff. Okay, probably 7-year-old stuff. Maybe also, maybe just delete. So yeah, this is why we need more up. Did we not git push that? Why do they not have that? So also I checked this. I don't know. Basically, this is here. This is incorrect. Basically, Repology needs to do a better job of filtering some stuff out. I think I checked this. It does also. We have DVD disaster. That sounds like something that should be there. Maybe download. Maybe shows where it's coming from. Default disaster. Now that we spent already some efforts of making this stuff, maybe even I think did I not use something like that eventually? Maybe they just have an xset download developers, right? Is that so? Here is something indeed. Probably okay, they moved to self-hosting after. Let's update that too. Also, let's professionalize this somehow. Maybe even I somehow did. Probably because so many Unix people did so many wired things. Basically, that's enough. Not autoconf. And oh, they have a website. Is that still a website? Does it go somewhere? No, it ain't going anywhere. That's not ideal. Actually, maybe I should read the website. Did I do they say provides latest source code? Thanks to site is brought alive again. Okay, some applaud for them. Thank you. Appreciate that. GTK Devil. Do we not have that installed for reasons? Ah, maybe that is. Okay. Basically, too many minutes spent on this already. But wait, what did I do there? So in a normal stream, I would fix this, but we want to do. I think at this speed we will not. We will not test. We will not reach 60 updates. That is. Yeah. Oh, there's something slightly. That should be easy. Actually, did I? I turned. Of course, otherwise we could run data on this. I mean, here is this EDB? Is this EDB, yes, that is some, is that E17 EDB, is that still a thing? Oh, that is database. Maybe that is in, oh, there's also some shared files. Maybe that is, did I build this on the system? What is it? Enlightenment Foundation Library. Did it also somewhat build? Why is... Normally data should do that, but we randomly found that here, so then at least 2 or so. Faster. I thought some of those here. What is Enna? We should recycle some of those here. Some sound Enlightenment 17, but these days you can, based on, is that still a thing? This Enna is 17. I mean, I don't want to delete all the things now. Now let's try switch data, remove things, recipes empty, maybe abandon, maybe to be deleted another day. So EFL, is that EDB, E17 EDB, is that still a thing? Database. If the first hit is not there, then probably to do. I mean, we kinda, the problem is if we delete it now, we lose packages. If we delete packages, we lose packages. Remove. So we E17 would give Enna. Basically, I could do that now, but then we wouldn't have 60 updates in 60 minutes. Also looks like Foxtrot does updates here, and maybe together we can achieve 60. Like, oh, ePhoto, that is... You know what we could do? Is that is Enlightenment? Is it also abundant there? I mean, Enlightenment 17 is kinda a joke, right? I'm really sorry to say that. Was it 7 or 6? Maybe just some random... Where is it coming from? So I think this here is just Repology or stuff. That's not helping. Some random Linux that's there, but where do they get that from? What is their packaging? Upstream view of EFL. Doesn't, okay, waste of time. Okay, wait, like, why is there stuff not... Yeah, so much should be somewhere, but isn't. That is... I mean, Erlang we could... Maybe just commit, doesn't... Okay, that name doesn't match. Was it 1.6? No, I lost overview. Also typo, yes, I've seen this 28. 20, totally something that was previous package. Was it 01 or 28 or... It somehow doesn't download. Okay, at that speed, I mean, we basically have only 1 minute per... Oh, there is no... what was it? 28 or... They live in the future. There is some readme though. Where is there? What do we use as source? We use OTP source. But here is 28. There is indeed no one. What the heck? What the heck is going on here? Waste of time. Yeah, this is why we lack some updates, because unclear random shit. Is it? It's not E17. It didn't download either. Are we at 404? But that looks promising. Better source? Where does this better source is it? It's going straight to GitHub though. I have a suspicion that ain't. Did I copy paste this? It's probably maybe not so. Maybe they didn't update the website. No, they didn't update the website because even that is too difficult these days. What's this? That's totally wrong then. XF01 search set with dash. So I'm not rushing it as much as being completely garbage. Also, like, maybe we don't need this anymore after so many years. So I could have skipped it, but if we touch it already, of course we cleaned up nicely, right? And where can I want live streaming in here in the meantime, in between? Yeah, the question is, does it use still Python? Does it not? We will see. EWL, nah, probably. What is examine is? Is it all like Enlightenment 17 junk or what? Yeah. Wonderful. Oh, excitable. Yeah, look at this T2 CI. Major updates here, making T2 Linux the greatest again. Even probably, yeah, 15 years later, finally builds again. Look at that. Only took six years live on Twitch and YouTube. Done. Next. This is Ezra. I've seen that. Probably didn't download. That's a typo. Wait, doesn't match? Ah, ESA. Oh, that low hanging. Yeah, this is what we need to catch up with lost time. Wherever OF gets some random whatever. So I often did the first page. I mean, this stuff is even now, right? And that here, where are we here? This is also. Oh wait, are we at development or where are we even? This is also. Maybe it's mixing here like this. This is probably nah because it's glib 1. This is nah. Done. Next, Gnome Python stuff. What's the question is always with this thing. So this I didn't find. I mean, this maybe this looks low hanging. This is always a question. Is it development? Doesn't download, of course. Yeah, source watch, thank you much. Let's see where that is coming from now. Downloads for these things. Search mailboxes for a 10 tags 530. Yeah, basically that's again how many years ago? 2009. Did I Google for? Where is it coming from now? Repology. I mean, it's crazy that in this day and age it is so difficult to find where the shit is coming from. Okay, let's see, where does Gen2 get it from? Change. Where do we have overview of repository? Come on, faster, faster, faster. I guess they have 3.1.1. GitHub grab mail. Is that some other person than the original? Is this another? No, 7 years ago. Wait, what? That is 3034. Damn, is that's stupid. Okay, YOLO, not my department. Whoops, oh, this is, didn't find this. I mean, that might be, or maybe 5A, maybe that a little bit. Maybe not download. Where is it coming from these days? No, that please, did it download? GTK project, no, GTK T2 website, GTK dialog to the rescue, code Google of, there is even something. Source issues, downloads, dialog, which one do they want? Zero 8.5, is that also moved? Has it's also been done there and makes this shit up? That's ridiculous. Here's 2023. Is that a new Funtech projects installation? No, that's simple. Can't mix this up. That's ridiculous. Okay, YOLO, not my department. Didn't download, not ideal. Where's GTK term source view? I mean, some things here are updated earlier, so that I also updated this the other day. Does it really need GTK? What I updated one of those the other day. Ah, damn it, because it's some bloody web. Ah, can't make this ridiculous shit up. Can people not put it just in the bloody properly? They put it in some CMS, and what a waste of everyone's time. This is so ridiculous, you all. So I need to find which attachment ID, like this is such a ridiculous coincidence. It just had been there, the other sort by date and that attachment. Actually, I think I need to click. I can't even copy that. Like, this is the biggest. Like, this is like, why do people do that? Like, stop doing this. This is such an anti-web pattern. This is just ridiculous, people. Yeah, there we found it. Another update. How many? 24 minutes in. How many more can be? HP. I mean, the best thing would be to update some things that are at least make some sort of sense. What? It says not download? Manual force built in. Which do I have? This also doesn't download. Like what? Okay, let's not waste our time with non-downloading. What would be more I8. Like this sounds at least halfway. Like if that image magic that usually just downloads. Wait, we have the latest version? Why is this over? What are ones? Oh no, there is 1724. I mean, we could try to cache, but why does this not 102? Is it? Shouldn't. Why does this not download? Last modified, please. 7120. 712. -0. So we just missed it. Dash 1712. Okay, because so we encode the version number like it is upstream to make substitution easy. Apparently some people do that differently currently, which is what is yeah, look at this. This is some not good Linux distribution change that for not upstream like the usual nonsense. Oh, that one should be easy. Of course, we do this in parallel. Doesn't download. Is that still a thing? GitHub thing, or is 241? That's somewhere else. Wonderful. If it even exists with our luck sometimes. The 244. Maybe other people forked it because Intel has abandoned it, or GitHub LFS book. But why that LFS book? Download from LFS. What? Why is this such a strange? Is it their custom fork thing, or I don't understand what people do. But there's Intel Media. Like, what the freaking heck even freaking is going on? I mean, we could just use the LFS thing. Media driver release tech media thing, but it's something else, right? It is Intel Media driver. That is bizarre. Why is always such strange stuff happening? Oops. Look at that. We could wake up the other server. Some of those must be easy. Should be easy, except if it doesn't download. Should be easy, except it doesn't exist. Oops. I hate when I remove my jetty. Is that even? Here's JUnit. That sounds useful. JUnit framework, probably renamed or just coming straight from finally quality updates. Oops. Some more space, thank you much. Wait, this is tech name? Are freaking kidding me? Sorry. That's tech name. JUnit. Yeah, let's reuse this straight. That's stupid as it is. So few chatting today. Not good enough content. What's audience doing? Updates to run them. Okay, changing this to quality Linux update content. AAA also JDK things. Do we not have open JDK? Okay, some strange codes going on there. Maybe this is not needed anymore. Maybe even so we have OpenJDK, not sure what random stuff is going on there. But basically, yeah, that's what I thought. Basically, Department of Java Developers patches welcome. Half the work done, more patches welcome. Actually, Kismet is there. Wow, Kismet is still being developed. Also, Calcat is. Do we have both packages? Or do we have both in one? Oh no, we don't. Probably forgot that. Yeah, forgot that. It could be nice. Did I understand this? Probably fine, untested. So, what could possibly be wrong with some component library thing? Right, famous last words. Kismet. Kismet software, yes please. What's the actual download thing? Bluetooth things. Maybe they expanded their scope vastly. I have the suspicion all of that stuff is outdated a decade later. Download package repository packages before installing Kodi things. Kismet git mirror things. Oh, source table here. Wait, there was source table here. That is, oh, that's coming out of Reese. That's good. Here goes nothing. T2 increase. Wait, what? Was this not a direct full link? Oh no, it wasn't. Download page. Wait, what circular? Download. Ah, here. Here comes that copy. Is that the correct version? No, it isn't. From Repology we get this strangely formatted. First of all, that is not good, and second of all, that is upstream. And this is what we're here for, right? Like, this are the major, amazing, like 20 years later. Of course, we want radio frequency scanning things. Amazing, couldn't be happier. At least one hour nicely invested. Like, hey, only 36 minutes plus moderation things. Where's Repology? Did I accidentally close that? Or, oh wait, oh, where's Repology? Oh, here's some Repology thing. We could quickly check if that refresh. Oh, look at that. It refreshed a little bit. Look, like we are so peak up to date. It is mind blowing. If that Linux, oh, if that Linux ain't amazing, then I don't know what is. Next, let's continue like L for library or stuff. Look, oh, we have been here. We have been here. We are so up to date at 200. All right, now that fits in. Wow, this fits into 3 pages now with 200 pages. Let's L or like either K for KDE. Okay, hello. Okay, Kismet, we have been Kodi. Did I not? Kodi? That is strange because we are up to date. Like, basically, we are up to date, and this version just doesn't transpire. Okay, that one's. Okay, this one's more depths. Untested but promising. Maybe we have the depths, but we have only 60 minutes. Tweaks this thing here. Wait, this doesn't have. Normally, I don't like tweaking our version, but this version here is there anyway. So let's hope this Omega is part of whatever. Let's just. So in general, not a fan, but in this specific case, can't make it much worse. If it continues to be. If this continues to change, then we might not satisfy, or we rather open a Repology issue. Kodi, a very rare thing that doesn't hurt much. Okay, Creator, there is some Creator, can you believe? It's a download. Why does shit always not freaking download, TM? 5 to why they always promise version and then version not there. King really not happy you all. What's always going on? Or actually, wait a second. This could be. Look at this. Like, this could be probably Fedora having, but I mean, there is a small update. This is probably a Fedora rawhide shipping some git snapshot shit. Like, I will file a bug. Like, I don't like this. Like, I will file a bug with Repology. This is totally misleading and skewing our updateness. We have multiple other of such cases. T2 inst creator. May or may not build. Creator. It probably did build with more dependencies, something. That's what I thought. Creator, of course, no other depths, and this can go by. Oops, I wanted untested. Yeah. Fix. Fix. So much perfectionism must be. You see, we do some extra work, right? We could basically 11 doesn't exist, yeah, but of course some opted better than none. What could be whatever that is? It's also not there. Oh, it's some GNOME stuff. So that's that one's LASM60. Where is that freaking coming from? It's also not there. LASM is that one? Did they move to? Is that the right one? Does it have LASM07? I have no idea. Is it superseded by LASM project? LASM, you're freaking kidding me. Here's what are we looking for? Is that one here? Is that, maybe we should check if that is the right thing. G-object, mathml, okay, maybe. What do we say here? Just checking that we update the right thing. I think, okay, that looks promising. Just like this. We are, oh, this is also GitLab Gnome. Is this GitLab Gnome? GitHub. Something is fishy here. Is that even, what, do they have a project URL? I mean, that's a little bit, that's certainly costing my time of not hitting 60 updates in 60 minutes. Do they have any LASM project GitHub? Okay, so it doesn't. Okay, let's use this URL. It doesn't. Just what it is. Hello, I wanted to copy paste this from here. Just like this, we make T2 great again, as you see. So, I think so. I checked this the other day. This is also like they all ship some unstable development thing. Not a fan. Maybe it doesn't matter, but also not really the right thing. Look at this. Just like this. Build. Bam. If that ain't a flex, then I don't know what is. T2 update. Does it download? No. Where is it coming from now? Yeah, most of the time, of course, web search here. Here is something 6.2 GDI plus theme sources copy. I don't even know, maybe that's mostly not needed. What even is that? Lib. Naja, the mono stuff is open, so yeah. Probably not test building this. Maybe I don't have the matching mono. Is that here something useful? Okay, starts to build. And test it. Not my department. Homework, your homework testing patches welcome. Is that iPod stuff? Yeah, no release, no nothing. What are we looking for? 083. GNU packages, GUIX. Oh, come on. Is that here even the right thing? No. Yes, no, maybe. Branch text. Nah, okay, so much too waste of time. Don't lose that much time. Time is running up. Lab here, is that wait, what? 114? Is that stable or again some random? Wait, what? Even that is not there anymore. What's download doing? 08. Whoa, what? Date stuff. Rule 4. Is it 114? 114. Awesome? 114. What the heck? What is this awesome thing? Did they fork that or what? Not sure. Okay. Waste of time, not my department. PNG though. Why did this? I mean, good that this didn't auto commit because we have here. Did this not build, or is it so new that we didn't test build this? Build so. Not sure why this didn't commit previously, but now it did. And also that here sounds okay. What's not building there? I mean, I kind of shouldn't look because time. Oh, this is XML. Okay, maybe libxml, but not my department. Maybe libxml incompatibility. My patches. Yeah, of course that's what's there. Where did that move? Maybe I didn't copy the L. Oops. Ah, copied the L. Download things libofx 10.10.7 10.7.9. Why does it not download? Wait, hello? What's download doing? Where's download? Your download will start immediately. Thank you very much. Capitalization? libofx, or what do they have there? libofx 10.7. Maybe? No. What's the problem here? Project activity. Files 10.7, 9, 10. Capital L? Don't tell me capital L. Are you freaking kidding me? Are you serious? No. What a waste of time. 10.7.9. Capital L. Or is it a space? There's a fucking space. Holy shit. You really want to break the internet or what? Like Q is that stupid. The problem is we cannot do space. Where did they head? It's breaking our, because we have space separated. I don't know if that would be a, like, oh, look, we can do 20. That we can do. This is so stupid, you all. Like, this is one of the most stupid things I've ever seen. OFX files, let's see, does it work like that? Holy shit, that works. I'm speechless. I've seen a lot of nonsense, but like this is like, why would any sane person freaking like tell me like this must be this modern wipe coder that can't even do download. Right? This is ridiculous. This is absolutely the. Tell me you don't want people to download your stuff by putting a space in there. I mean, to be fair, we also release we also like. Our Mac software has a space download, but hey, it's not user visible, and like normal Mac people click on the link. But for an open source project, that is just meh. Oh, lib sound file. Also, okay, libci libofx. Okay, maybe this is CMake now. So also the spendies P probably didn't build. I remember this. It didn't just build, so more homework for others to do. 52 minutes, let's go. T2 update. Is it lib? Probably somewhere else. No, I didn't download. Mega-nerd.com? Are you had one job. Oh wait, this was wrong. You had me at Mega-nerd. I can tell you, you are not a nerd. Like, if you name yourself Mega Nerd, I saw the GitHub on the other. You are not a nerd if you name yourself Mega Nerd. We are not the same people. I think I need to go stronger with naming myself Der Coder. You're all like my neighbor, Der Bauer, right? People. Do they have a website though? I saw there was that GitHub thing. There was also a project. Oh, Copilot. No, just go away. Look at that. They have a GitHub page. Mega Nerd. Bye bye, Mega Nerd. I like that. The rare. Rare they are like GitHub hosted better than MegaNet. Why did this not download? What's the problem here? What do they do? Accept. Yeah, this is also kind of updates. We found already multiple like Kismet and stuff, like the Kismet libsnd. Of course, I'm not here for random junk, but like this is of course what T2's success is made of. Basically like this, you've seen it, right? Like just go through all of the stuff. Okay, this needs standard thing. I only grab this to. I could just type it, but grabbing is of course faster, and to use the same pattern everywhere in case we would want to tweak that and stuff. Basically, that's best practice of that. Probably. Okay, there is a vastly higher. We didn't download, of course. Let's see where's that stuff. Probably abundant. Abundant Red Hat's abundantness of stuff. So where is it coming from now? Maybe not tar gset, like maybe tar xset. GitHub here, Unicode now for non-gnomeness. They grew up. They are not gnome anymore, and I appreciate this. It's this build. Build. That build. That probably could do with some optional dependencies, but there is no time for that today. Unicode, let's go. Delete, insert, delete slash backwards of is probably like this. Maybe also then, as it's so much newer, maybe not quirks anymore. Next. So the good thing is with this minimal versions, it usually, okay, CMake probably. Let's outsource the costs for that. Catch 2. Do we have that? No, but apparently we need that. Catch 2 tubes, yeah. Maybe it needs a new package. Okay, the downloads. Build. Next, Linphone probably, but Nunware or Linux. So this is really misleading because like I need to file a bug report. Like this is Linux header, ABI headers. Like basically this is a Repology bug. Like they shouldn't do that. But there's a new firmware. That build. How many updates did someone count? Your homework. Check the subversion history. Right now, check the subversion history. How many updates like this? We had this already. So I previously, I mean, okay, maybe as early as this morning. So I had this already lingering on my totally messed up all updates VM. Had I taken a closer look, we could have committed this already this morning or whatever. Rapid says I'm too fast. What do you mean? You lost like counting, but I'm not too fast for SVN log T2 stuff. All right. Good. Next, Linux firmware. What's next here? Okay, LP RNG. I solved that today. I was like, yeah, that's. I could be cheap. Okay, lives. Lives. Let's go. Did this download? No. This didn't download for reasons. This is some multimedia framework. I remember this. Doing this for a while. Oh, this is lives solved. There sources things. Yes, this please lives video. Did this download yet? Probably. Maybe I should check. Did this see somewhere? Did this T2 install stop successful? Very successful. Finished. Finished building successfully. Yes. Works for there. Even tested. Can you believe? I think we didn't. Maybe we did 25, right? I think we will miss the. Oh, we so 5 minutes was introduction. Wait, lives? Did this not say it didn't download? Or did we not update? 3.2. What to do here? Wait, what? Live. This is something else. This is with an S. Lives video editing. It should be this one here, right? Because that means delete and download. Things, Linux packages, Linux source. Look at that. Download. I mean, it looks a little bit 90s, but at least it's easy to find. Can't. Look at that. Amazing. T2 in lives. Is there a chance that this starts building? Okay, tons of lure things. Don't want to break too much stuff today. I mean, all of this stuff here. Someone should. I mean, does it download? No, just do it already. T2 update. That does it download? Because some of those didn't download. I think some of the stuff has also been done there, right? Appearance. Okay, it's not there, not important. Please, your homework update. Okay, Alex Doom, but that's for another day. Alex Lib also domain. This is also strange. I checked this another day. This is somehow strange. RPC, okay, T2 CI untested. I'm pretty sure Foxtrot fixes after that. Like it literally does in parallel. Hey, maybe together we did. So, like maybe grep update less. Where did we start? Here somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 26 or so, 27. Okay, we basically nearly managed half, but I mean, I was sure I will not manage 60. I know as time wasting as finding all these downloads is, I knew I will not achieve 60, but I thought it makes at least 4K, that is some random shit. I thought it makes for some content and we need to do it. We need to do some stuff anyway. Also, like, this is somehow there. I think they mean commercial. I don't like. I just checked yesterday. That's the latest version. Oh wow, there is some MMV somewhere. Oh, maybe that is rewritten in. Or is it something else? Package core MMV, or is it rewritten in Homebrew? Is that like? Shit, I thought I had checked this core MMV. Copy move multiple files. Where is it coming from? Here's some MMV. Oh, they have that. 10 years. Actually, funny. I thought we checked this a month ago. Did someone revitalize that after I said I showed it in my? Oops. Let's just pro. Oh, man, copy and paste really super difficult. Let this probably be the last update for this session. Maybe we assume all this crazy stuff is not needed anymore. That is here then, and that is here then, and hope for the best. 210 in, oh, they have even download. Right, I didn't. Does this give us MMV? Latest. Okay, maybe we should at least. Hey, we still have some seconds. Okay, you know what? We could update mono. I usually don't test this anyway. One to two. Background. Is that still implemented in? It's much longer though. Mat, MMV, MLN, MCP is that? I hope it's not implemented in. So this is of course not ideal for my record breaking. No, it appears to be maybe CO. Okay. Appreciate that. Thank you for maintaining that. Of course, running 20-year-old multi-move software is of course not ideal. Wait, no cache? Freaking kidding me? Force cache. That's significantly, or was this as? Oh look, it's this is what it because may he also rest in peace. It's already the second, like, yeah, due people dying. I think I think he passed away some 2 years ago, right? Also neighbor here from Berlin. Crazy things. Why people dying? So sad. That there, so probably what did I wanted to write T2 update or wait T2 CI mono, that's just not it didn't even download. Maybe also why now mono, what version 6.14, probably know it was sorry this wine release yeah. Wine HQ, that is Wine HQ now. It's ridiculous. Everyone giving up like that. It's crazy that the biggest open source projects are not sustainable. If that doesn't say like they literally did actually even Microsoft purchased them and then neglected it and then like this is so crazy. I mean, maybe one of the best, like when Miguel de Cada did this, maybe one of the best funded, successful companies, and then Microsoft purchased because too successful, and then now Y needs to pick up this breadcrumbs of we can't maintain this anymore. So let's somewhere here. So probably we managed 30-ish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 3 more. Okay, let's do 3, then we did 30 and nearly, but then I really need to go home. Mono or basic maybe? Mono, I'll check here, multiple mono. Okay, let's, what did I say? 3 mono basic release. Oops, this is also typo. Nothing to see. Where did that go? Mono basics and mono project more. Mono basic wine HQ or stuff. What's the version? Yeah, what a waste of time. Why is shit so slow? Mono basic 4.8. I was like, we have way too many downloads here. Or navigate like this is. Are you freaking kidding me? The sad thing is I had something. Where all the other mono XSP. Does it have a download in text? I mean 4.7. Mono. I mean we could do that here, and if that doesn't fully build, let it be someone else's problem. We kinda should rewrite this. Because XSP is a little bit shortish colliding. I mean, the old version clearly didn't build anymore. I mean, once upon a time it probably did build. 4.8. So it's even updating it like this doesn't really make it much worse, right? Edit page on basic. Okay, more basic is yeah, also. If you want to rush, you make the most type of somehow, right? Mono. Here's basic. Basic, hello? Okay, mono basic. Line mono. This is. I don't have basic in the search. Like you. Such a time wasting fail. Bloody download. Flying mono basic. Where to save 418. Where to save. Oops. Mono GitHub archive. Okay, like the other mono basic. Just like, why does Google search not bloody find this? This is so ridiculous, you know. Wait, this is not the latest download. Somehow. Maybe it did reverted that because it didn't find the download. Are we 30 updates yet, or mono add-ins? Basics, so mono basics, so 1, 2, 3. What's with motor? Didn't download? No. I think it was some text mode IDE. Add-ins 1, 3 from it's probably up and done there or whatever. It's crazy how much in general is up and done there, but even with this Windows stuff, I would think there is some. And 1, 3. Why do they say 5? Maybe somewhere else already. Yeah, that's new. Maybe something slightly newer somewhere. I think that's an IDE. Text mode IDE or stuff. Versus, yeah. Remember correctly, just a question where's the download. 342. Try to be that efficient, by the way, for the this old-fashioned IDE text mode terminal thing, right? Like try to do this with a clicky bunty, with a colorful text good thing. Motor things, which version? 342. Where is this stuff? 342. Somehow it finds everything just. Again, hunting up and down there, I suspect. Can't find release anywhere of it. Okay, that's somehow not that said. Oh, thanks for this. More updates. Corey Foxtrot appreciates this. Okay, let's one more. Like where could this? Where did this come from? Probably just doesn't download. That explains why we don't have that. Where is that freaking thing coming from? That's a long time ago, or what? Zero, 3, 2. Yes, indeed. Where is here? Download. Source code download. Maybe it needs a additional dash. Oh, this Oric. Why is this some Oric shit? Not filming. Like, why did they do that? Missing a bloody update for a decade because they name it Oric. Are you fucking kidding me? Like, you had one effing job. Like, you're fired. We missed a precious, unimportant MP3 update for a decade, for over a decade, because of this stupid renaming shit. Like, other people moved their bloody project from one unsuccessful side to the other. Are you switching to Twitch for live streaming? I do that for a year already. Basically, all the random stuff is here. So yeah, basically since over a year, for quite precisely a year, for a little over a year, we do all the random daily stuff, like basically. But so given that T2 is totally amazing again, like literally, even my expired use, I'm not even kidding. So I mean, basically T2 is now the best invention since sliced bread again, and like we will do more language, more microkernel, more graphic subsystem. Basically T2, I declare hereby on true Twitch, I declare from the, you hear it from the oranges, I declare T2 amazing and great again. And we can move on if my family allows me and doesn't drag me to public swimming pools and saunas. So basically, is this Vim? Yes, that's Vim, but I don't care. Oh, this also doesn't build. Why not building? Oh, 10-year-old software. One quick last update and signing things, cause things of. Did we? Can't make this shit up. It's ridiculous. Probably just broken by 15 years later, probably, or 10 or 12 or whatnot. Probably broken by latest GCC. Also, like, would help if you write standard conforming code that ain't doing strange casting things or assigning incompatible type things difficult. And welcome, Trip. Happy to see you. This is not enough. Start to AO from int with. Okay, I guess that's vastly incompatible for. Is that API change or were they just incompetent? You know what? This is also that's implicit in this. This wasn't. Okay, can we disable AO? Oops. Oh, I think this is somewhere. It's like update doesn't build anymore. Yeah, can we just disable incompetent? Like, yeah, patch to port that. Welcome. I mean, you're not maybe MPG. Like, where is the Gentoo thing? Do I have this still open? GitHub things of. Do we have a patch that we can steal? Best practice on open source projects. Sharing code. Sharing is caring. GCC check for CVE Clang for mod security. Not instantly unless. Oh, holy, that's a little bit much. I mean, maybe that's not Clang 16, maybe that is just... Oh, here, look at this. This looks promising. But that's not Clang. Oh, here, more implicit int shit company. Yeah, people do MP3 encoder and decoder, but can't even probably freaking program right. But here was some error. I mean, maybe that's it. That wasn't so right. Very serious play. Maybe that's what we. I mean, maybe we should just import everything. No. What do we name this? What? Any other stuff? Let's hope that it builds. Yeah, so as people ask, I actually wanted to more language, and this is still multiple definitions of. Thank you very much. Let's see if fcommon can quirk that. Please, one more update. Oh, that fixes the features now. Let's see, do we need this? Maybe one try. Do we need this then with this patch? Maybe, probably not. Probably fcommon and this patch probably takes care of that. Yeah, look at that. The only thing is I will, if I do it like this, we add a copyright patch. I mean, there's still fair enough bugs Gen 2 and stuff, but I could remove, look at that, didn't build since 2010 or stuff. Future, truly, the T2 future is now marked in the calendar. Don't delay. Let's remove the copyright here to not unnecessarily anger them. Let's commit that here. And just like this, we probably did 30 updates in 60-ish minutes. Hope you enjoyed this and learned something. Don't forget to try T2 Linux and send some patches. Because as you have just seen, sharing is caring. Hope you enjoyed, learned something, and enjoy finally amazing T2 Linux. More amazing stuff coming soon. Share, like, subscribe for that too, and have a good day and see you next time. If audio would play. Now, I guess I